Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to link your account with Discord. In the beginning take a look at the settings and now go to User and Accounts. Go to Linked Services, select Discord and link account. Accept and continue. And now enter the code, scan QR code or use browser to link your account with Discord. Thanks to this function, your friends will know what game you are currently playing and they can join you in your chat room. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.